Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you do want to click on that subscribe button, like and share. So I'm going to be giving out free signal on GBPUSD. If you trade GBPUSD, the best thing you can do now is go to the comment section, follow the Telegram channel. There is a free Telegram channel for GBPUSD trade. It will be only high probability trade setup that I'll be giving there, which is absolutely free. So do not miss it. Go to the comment section, click on the link to the Telegram, and get to trade with us. Absolutely free, and it will be high quality trade signal. Now let's see what we'll be expecting on GBPUSD. So if you take a look at this here, first we were an uptrend move, then market eventually started giving us this downtrend move. If you take a look at this, we've actually gotten the reversal movement, reversal pattern. It has eventually given us the reversal movement, and now we are now on an uptrend move. So basically our bias on GBPUSD will be the bullish move, so you should expect more continuous bullish move to the upside. Now if you take a look at this movement here, we had this high, higher low, higher high, then we had this equal higher low, that's it, equal higher low here. Now higher high has been made. What you should expect is a little bit of a pullback. Once you get a pullback, a new high. So our bias on GBPUSD will be a bullish move, so you should expect some movement to the upside. So stay updated, follow the Telegram channel. I'll put a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.